Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss a question that is asked in CSAT 2020, and the question is, if you have two straight sticks of length 7.5 feet, length 2 is 3.25 feet. Okay, what is the minimum length that you can measure? So जब भी ऐसा क्वेश्चन आए minimum length that you can measure, so what it is assumed to calculate, we can assume to calculate HCF. So HCF of L1 comma L2. See, this can be written as 75 upon 10 or 15 upon 2. This can be written as 325 upon 100. पच्चीस एकम 25 13 upon 4. So these are two fractions. So what is the formula HCF of fractions? It is HCF of numerators upon LCM of, let me remove it. So LCM of denominators. Okay. So numerators क्या क्या हैं? 15 और 13. तो HCF of 15, 13 upon में LCM of what are the denominators? 2, 4. So 2 और 4 का LCM 4 और 13 और 15 दोनों क्या है? कोप्राइम. तो इनका HCF क्या हो गया? 1. So what is my answer? 1/4, and that is 0.25. It's an easy question and it was doable. Thank you. We'll meet again.